Hi everyone, Ahojte! Autumn is a nice season characterized by change with colorful leaves, cooler temperatures and cozy drinks. Today, in Linguarte, we will show you some basic words and phrases of this season in Slovak language. Download a document with this lesson on the link in the description. Let's start! Začíname! Some basic vocabulary of autumn, jeseň, is the following: September, Október, November. Leaves, listy. Foliáž, lístie. Falling leaves, padajúce listy. Rain, dážď. Wind, vietor. Fog, hmla. Chill, chlad. Cold, zima. Crisp air, chladný vzduch. Dew, rosa. Harvest, zber. Pumpkin, tekvica. Chestnut, gaštan. Pieť, gaštany. Acorn, žaluť. Squirrel, veverička. Mushroom, huba or hríb. To pick up mushrooms, zbierať huby or zbierať hríby. Nature, príroda. Výhľad, view. Breeze. Colors, farby. Cozy, útulný. Stromy, trees. Fireplace, krb. Hiking, turistika. Cloudy, oblačno. Vzduch, air. Some weather-related phrases are the following. The weather is getting colder. Počasie sa ochladzuje. It's windy today. Dnes je veterno. The leaves are falling. Listy padajú. It's the perfect weather for a hike. Je ideálne počasie na turistiku. The mornings are foggy. It's raining a lot. Prší veľa. I love the colors of autumn. Milujem farby jesene. The air is fresh and crisp. Vzduch je čerstvý a chladný. Nature is changing. Príroda sa mení. The trees are turning golden. Stromy sa menia na zlaté. Some other phrases to describe the colors are colorful leaves, farebné listy, golden trees, zlaté stromy, red leaves, červené listy, yellow leaves, žlté listy. And finally, some very needed foods and drinks for autumn are pumpkin soup, tekvicová polievka, apple pie, jablkový koláč, mushroom guláš, hubový guláš, roasted chestnut, pečené gaštany, mulled wine, varené víno, herbal tea, bylinkový čaj. Now it's time to practice. Try to say the following autumn words in Slovak language. Rain, dážď, wind, vietor, view, výhľad. Well done! Let us know in the comments if you have any questions about this topic. Continue practicing Slovak with other of our videos and don't forget to subscribe. Bye! Ciao!